being able to give yourself grace. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. So I just want to come in here and just like thank you guys for rolling with me in 2023. Like I don't know, I wouldn't have come this far if you guys didn't watch my videos or liked it or commented, and I just want to say thank you. You know, it's coming into 2024. It just got me thinking about a lot of things. Like I should have done better in 2023, but I'm so grateful that, hey, I didn't give up in 2023. I almost did. I mean, I wasn't consistent at some point. I was able to reach a milestone that I wanted to in 2023, and I wanted to I wanted to reach another milestone, which I didn't, but it's okay. Like I was able to get to that first part. So knowing that I had to be consistent and, you know, just trusting the process just gave me hope that, you know what, it doesn't matter what happens, just trust God and just keep moving at a pace that works for you. And of course, you would achieve at the end. So this year, a lot of things are going to happen differently. So I'm just going to be doing more of like behind the scenes, like so showing you guys how I make a dress for a client or make a dress for myself, and little vlogs here. Because I work from home, I really do not go out that much, you know, but I'll try as much as possible to put in vlogs here and there. But most importantly, what I want to be doing more on my channel is like to encourage a lot of women, of course, and men, young girls. Do you understand? Like inspiring them through my journey as a Christian wife. I'm a mom, or a Christian woman in general, yeah? And how God has really helped me to grow in every area of my life. And, you know, being transparent in when I make mistakes in my business. Like, trust me, no, but nothing is perfect, you know, and I want to be transparent to say, hey, you can make a mistake. Doesn't matter if you've been sewing for 10 years or 15 years or 5 years or 1 year or 6 months. It's okay to learn from your mistakes and, you know what, start again and yeah, move on. Don't let it kill your spirit. I want to be able to, you know, do that part in my video. And of course, I'm going to be starting up another business, which I cannot say yet because it's still in the process. Guys, if you're hearing one annoying sound, it's my alarm. My husband has to help me change it. Yeah, and so back to what I was saying, I started up a new business. I can't really say what it is. I started it, but I wasn't consistent. But I just had this feeling that the Lord said I needed to just go back to it and be specific on what I wanted to do. So I'll be sharing that with you guys when everything is launched or the process of it. I don't know if I'm going to have to share it on this channel or have to create another one. It's not easy to create two channels. Like, it's not. Like here in the diaspora where you have not a lot of help and stuff like that. And of course the kids. So I want to be able to do stuff at my pace, you know, but still deliver quality content and inspire someone that is watching me. And also, there's just a lot of things that are going to happen this year that I cannot wait to share with you guys. I'm super excited about one in particular, but it will be after it happens that I'll tell you guys about it. Yes, and this last Christmas, I upgraded my phone. Yes, my husband upgraded my phone to an iPhone 15 Pro. But now I'm filming with my Sony camera, the ZV-1. I wanted to say, okay, now this 2024, I'm going to be using my Sony camera to kind of film more. I'm sorry if I keep like moving. I'm looking at myself, you know, to film more with my camera and see the difference in quality with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. But I wanted to just use my phone for like my social media and of course my camera for my YouTube. But we'll see. But I'm grateful. I'm so excited for this year. 2024 has ended in praise. Yes, I'm speaking into my 2024. It has ended in praise already. It has ended in praise. We have to go in all out this year and believe for the impossible. But I also want to encourage someone. Yeah, this year, please, I beg of you, get in to the Word of God. Get to know God better this year if you haven't. Like, trust Him for the impossible. Yeah, read the Word of God. If you're new to reading the Bible, sometimes people feel like, oh, the Bible is just too complicated and, you know, no. Start with the book of Matthew. People will say, okay, start with the book of John. You know, I read Luke during the Christmas and then I just started from Matthew. And you can get like the Message Bible, the NIV, if King James is like, oh, thou, you know, but get a Bible that relates, that, you know, like that would really simplify it for you. I have the Joyce Meyer Bible. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, it's the Bible. It's the Joyce Meyer Bible. I don't know if you can. Yeah, it's the Joyce Meyer Bible. It's the Bible, but written by Joyce Meyer. And guys, this Bible, oh my goodness, he explains. Let me see if I can show you guys what I mean. Like when you're reading the Bible, it would, like, you know, explain it and give you, see, it will explain it more in details. I love this. I love what she's done with this. Yeah, so I love what she's done with this, and it's been really helpful. Yeah, so I just want to encourage you guys, get into the Word of God. Like, you'll be amazed what you will learn from the Word of God, and just have faith in God, trusting that, see, if he had said it, he would do it, period. If God has said it, he would do it, and that's all that matters. Dare to believe God for the impossible, like literally dare to believe God. I am so excited for 2024. And Roy, the God that sees me in 2024, he will see you. He sees us. Thank you so much. I'm so super excited for 2024, and I wish you all an amazing year. Wisdom from God, knowledge from God, grace, strength, favor, peace, joy in everything that you do this year. And please, guys, be happy. No matter what, choose happiness. And always remember, what God cannot do does not exist. See you guys.